When controlling a SCARA robot in a Cartesian coordinate system, the arm posture is important. It is called arm type. In this video, I will explain the SCARA robot arm type. The SCARA robot has a movement area where you can change the arm posture and move to the same position. This is the movement. Arm posture information is registered in the point data as an arm type flag displayed in the FLG. When operating in a Cartesian coordinate system, arm posture is determined by this information. I will explain the arm types and their postures. In this figure, we are looking at the SCARA robot from above. The datum line is where the first and second arms are straight. Turn your second arm clockwise from the line. This posture is called the left arm. Turn your second arm counterclockwise from the line. This posture is called the right arm. Let's look at the arm posture with a real robot. This is left arm posture. This is right arm posture. You can check the current arm posture by the number of the arm type flag displayed in FLG. The number 1 for right arm, and 2 for left arm are displayed. The arm type flag can be set when registering point data. For details, see the point registration video. Here is a PBX display when switching arm type. You can confirm the value in FLG changes when switching the arm type. Let's look at how to change the arm type during jog operation. The arm type cannot be changed during jog operation in the Cartesian coordinate system. In this way, the robot will continue to move with the arm type specified at the start of movement. There are 2 ways to switch the arm type. The first is jog operation. Switch to the pulse coordinate system by pressing the F4 key and move the second arm to change the arm type. The second is to move the robot arm by your hand. Press the emergency stop button to move the second arm. There are some points to note when registering points. Register the arm type used for actual operation in the point data. Please note that the robot may make unexpected movements if it is operated with a different arm type. Also, when you move the robot to the same position with different arm type, the stop position may shift slightly due to the robot structure. Please be careful here as well. Next, I will explain the arm type setting. If the point data does not include arm type information, FLG will display 0. This is the case when you edit point data in PBX or when you run the program to generate points. Even if the point data does not include arm type information, there is a method to specify the arm type during operation. Select Robot Change from the Quick Menu screen. Next, press the F1 key. The current setting is displayed to the right of arm type. To switch the setting, move the cursor to righty or lefty and press the Enter key. Even if the setting is changed, there is no motion to change the arm type at that time. The changed arm type setting is executed from the next operation. If the arm type flag is set, FLG is 1 or 2, in the point data, and is different from this setting, that the ARM type flag registered in the point data has priority. This is a very important point when operating a SCAR or robot. This concludes the explanation of the ARM type.